There are many bars on the Explorer, including the Explorer Hotel, the Ocean Bar, but here's one that's a little bit different. It's a bit of a hidden bar. See if you can pick where it is. Yes, it's beyond this door. Welcome to the Bonded Store. The Bonded Store is a place that opens later in the day. It doesn't open until about 5:30 for drinks, but earlier in the afternoon there are mixology classes, whiskey classes, gin, all those sorts of things happen in here as well. The drinks sometimes are a little different here to what you get at the other bars. And there's the door that we used to come in. So let's sneak on out again. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Our Trips to Go.